Hi, I'm Delana.
I'm Ava, and this is Jaden. This is Reed,
This is Jerome.
and we are the Baden Dreams team.
Can you believe all we've done this year?
Ava and I wrote a book about becoming an entrepreneur.
We also made a promotional video for our book. Reed and Jerome got the product catalogs done for the websites, and Jaden made the club product catalogs.
At Baden Dreams, our goal is to teach every research fellow to become an entrepreneur. Some big steps we took along the way to writing our book are
Coming up with a story spine,
taking pictures, editing them, and putting them in the actual book.
and publishing.
It was challenging to learn everything about product design, but it was also a lot of fun.
Thank you so much to Aaron Watson for mentoring us while we wrote our book. Baden Dreams will continue to empower young entrepreneurs until the day we die.